Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today video title is guys, how can we fix Bluetooth network setting in our Infinix phone device. Friends, you have guys Bluetooth network problem. So how can we fix guys Bluetooth network problem in our Infinix phone device? Today friends, I will show you, I will tell you guys. So first of all guys, open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, scroll down guys, and guys you will have to on guys your phone system setting guys. Click on guys your phone system setting. Guys, click on the reset option guys, and guys we will tap here guys the reset setting guys. You can see Bluetooth setting guys. We will tap here, and we will enter guys our device pin. Then guys continue guys, tap here to fix guys your Bluetooth network problem. So when Bluetooth network problem will fix in our Infinix phone device, after that guys you can use guys your Bluetooth setting in your Infinix phone device. So like that guys we can fix guys Infinix phone guys phone Bluetooth network problem guys. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to fix Infinix phone guys phone Bluetooth network problem.